What's up? Welcome to the video. Check it out, building a keyboard. Little spoiler, I'm pretty happy with how this run turned out. But pretty much what we got going on. For the board we got a Epomaker TH80 Pro bare bones. I think it comes in like a kit. Switches, it might be in the title, I don't know. But this is my first ever like tactical switch board. Unless you count clicky switches, but that either way. Got the Zwick V2 T1s. Maybe I should have gone with something slightly less tactile for my first ever tactile board, but them shits is tactile, I'll tell you that much. The bump is like right at the top, rather than halfway through the stroke or whatever. Keycaps are just some like cheapo dudes off Amazon. They're still good, they're plenty good for my purposes, but yeah, that's what we got going on. Enjoy the stuff. Yippee, subscribe.